Welcome back to the channel. Now we bring you this beautiful truck. It was a 2014 regular cab, long bed. This one has a topper with dual letter rack. This one has a 3.7. It's a V6. Tires are in great shape. Let's check the truck, the video. Here we go. XL F150. Brand of the tires in great shape, all four of them. You got the stroke. Tire in the rear. There's the spare frame. There's a little inverter there. So you can put your work things here. Has lights inside. This is the name of the company, Starr County Motors. This is the address. This is the email. This is the phone number. We're going to call it por Ángel por Juan. Starr County Motors. There's a connection there. The one is equipped with a towing hitch. So you can put your letters there. It has on both sides. And this one is hydraulic. It's a piston there. There's a toolbox here. The one is a power windows locks. This is a Southern truck, so it's a first rust-free vehicle. Owner's manual there. It's 2014. And if these trucks work for you or your company, please give us a call. There's the number. Or send us an email. Check the motor. It's a V6. New battery there. It's a 3.7. More information there. Check the mouse. Power windows, locks, power mirror. Cruise control. This one has cruise control there. Mouse in the truck. CD, ready with CD. AC blows cold, but it's cold right now down here. Fresh oil. Cup holder there. These are the switches for the strobes, the lights in the camp and the topper, and for the inverter. Thank you. If you're ready to subscribe, if you're not ready to subscribe, please subscribe to the channel. And please, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Appreciate it.